Okay, times 100 scale, about maybe 70,000 counts. I'll move it over here. 300,000, but if we're here, this thing goes off the scale somewhere. Here. Right here it goes off the scale. Okay, so what's this? Let's check it out.
Can you explain to me in the camera what you are doing? Because I don't
because this scale is maxed out when I'm here. I'm actually using the less sensitive Geiger Miller counter here, which measures 70 microsieverts per hour, just in this spot. But if I put it here, it should become much less. Now we see it dropping, still recalculating. Yeah. That's about 2 microsieverts.
Let's stay there. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So it's around here. Somewhere. I have to try and locate it. What is it? Is it this? No. No, it's not this. I seem to be over the spot again. Okay, I'll move it further to here to see. Okay, that's down again. So it must be right in this spot, right in this area it must be.
And what is it that is there?
It's a fuel fragment.
Can you make a complete sentence?
That's a fuel fragment from the Chernobyl nuclear power plant that is there. Let's see if it's in this. It's not in this, no? I'm just gonna dig the whole thing out and drop it here. And if the radiation decreases, then it must be in there. But it's still not. Well, this shows nothing. Okay, so are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I can turn on the clicker for you so you can hear what's going on. That must be it. It must be here. Yeah. Let's put the other stuff back. Is it still there? Yeah, it's still there. Oh, it's 600 microsieverts. Oh, it's 1 millisievert per hour now. It's 2 millisieverts per hour. I'm totally exceeding the scale here. Can't even measure it anymore. 3 millisieverts per hour. Shit, I have to put this on my camera. Holy crap. That's as bad as a nuclear medicine. I have to dig out whatever it is. 1.5, 2.3 millisieverts per hour, 3.4 millisieverts per hour. Still doesn't decrease.
Can you also say that on camera? I like that.
Huh?
Can you say it on camera, what you're finding now, what you're doing?
Well, I'm trying to find a fuel fragment that is supposed to be right here. A fuel fragment from the reactor. Because as we all know, the reactor literally blew up and thus the debris was spread all over the place. The normal radiation level would be 0.2 microsievert per hour, and now it's over 3,000 microsieverts per hour, so there must be something here. But just where is it? I'm still trying to find it. Until people get annoyed and tell me to fuck off from this place, I'm trying to find this. Please drop, please drop, please drop. Oh, it's dropping. Oh my god, it's dropping to microsieverts level now. And over here it's much more again. Okay, so it must be in this bit. so it's in here. Let's separate it into two. Measure one and the other. 300 something, 500 microsieverts. Quickly measure over here if it drops again. 300. You don't have to record or anything, I'm just waiting until people are passed.
Okay.
Wait until they're passed. Okay, you can give me one.
Yep.
And just put the rest back in your things. Try this. Make sure we didn't leave it behind. I'm measuring the bag again. It's not here. Okay.
This tiny fragment here, is this laying in front of my scintillation counter for gamma spectroscopy, is the very fuel of the nuclear reactor of Chernobyl. It's a fragment of the nuclear fuel. It's the most intense thing I have ever seen in my whole life. 17,000 microsievert per hour. I've never seen anything like it. I have it at my fingertips. I will not be able to take it out of the zone, of course. They have portal monitors.